Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Anime Lover. Today we are going to discuss about Itachi Uchiha's strongest jutsus. We all know about Itachi Uchiha. He is the protege of the Uchiha clan and arguably one of the most complex characters in the Naruto series. After witnessing the horrors of the Third Shinobi War, Itachi turned into a pacifist. However, reluctant to battle, Itachi understands that the need to be strong in order to protect the ones he loves, and constantly received the highest marks in the ninja academy, but he always behind the Minato records. He can't break Minato records in the ninja academy. Ultimately, his loyalty lied with his brother Sasuke Uchiha and the Hidden Leaf Village, betraying his own very clan to keep the village very safe from attacking or any other thing. Being a member of the Uchiha clan, Itachi was already a superior ninja, but even among the Uchiha clan, he was considered as a genius person. As such, Itachi is known throughout the ninja world for his remarkable strength and accomplishment. He is able to hold his own among the legendary Sannin and even defeated Lord Orochimaru, one of the legendary Sannin, with ease. With Obito's help, he was able to wipe out the entire Uchiha clan in a single night. Finally, he was able to take out Kakashi Hatake, a senior Chunin, possessed the Sharingan and eventual sixth Hokage in mere seconds in a fight, and left him bedridden in the hospital for weeks using his Sharingan technique Genjutsu. Needless to say, Itachi Uchiha boasted some remarkably devastating jutsus. I have compiled the list to the top 5, although there are certainly more. I could not add all of them on here. These 5 are the most strong techniques used by Itachi Uchiha. Let's discuss this technique. Clone Great Explosion technique. One of the very first Itachi Uchiha's strongest jutsu performs in his official debut in the Naruto series, a perfect example of his ability to plan ahead and misdirect even the strongest opponents. This jutsu enhances the already B-rank Shadow Clone technique. As the name suggests, the Itachi created a shadow clone which can be denoted from afar at the most opportune time. The advantages of this jutsu is that the opponent expects to fight in close range taijutsu, not knowing that he or she is fighting a clone. Once that clone gets in range, Itachi then denotes it, delivering a deadly explosion. This jutsu ranks as an A-class technique, while most ninja with moderate ninjutsu capabilities could master. It is especially lethal when combined with Itachi's fighting style. You can see one of the example here. Itachi fight with Kurunai. Kakashi helped Kurunai from not being exploded, Amaterasu, the most advanced fire-release jutsu known to the shinobi world. It can only be used by a very select few who have unlocked the Mangekyo Sharingan. Currently, Itachi, Sasuke, and Indra are the only users. Those who use Amaterasu. Amaterasu's literal translation is heavenly illumination, and with good reason. It's a visual jutsu which unleashes a black flames on its target. It, the flames can burn for up to 7 days and 7 nights until there is nothing left but ash. Aside from these amazing offensive capabilities, the Amaterasu can also be used defenselessly by casting the Amaterasu flames around him to block any incoming attacks from the opponents. Being a jutsu from the Mangekyo Sharingan, those thus belongs among some disadvantages. However, excessive use of this jutsu, that Sharingan eye becomes blind, and all Mangekyo Sharingan abilities overuse will lead to blindness as exhibited by Sasuke and Itachi Uchiha. Itachi's Susanoo. We all know that Susanoo is the most famous and offensive defensive technique for Uchihas who awakened Mangekyo Sharingan. Since Itachi has awakened and possesses both of his Sharingan capabilities, Susanoo armor can block all but the most powerful attacks while allowing Itachi to pass through. Let's talk about first jutsu, the most famous genjutsu, Tsukuyomi, a visual genjutsu suppressed only by Susai Uchiha Otomatsuki. Only Susai Uchiha can defeat this genjutsu because this is the second most powerful genjutsu used by any Uchiha in his lifetime. Kakashi Hatake hospitalized for several weeks because Itachi Uchiha used this Tsukuyomi Genjutsu on Kakashi. It's most powerful genjutsu ever used by a Uchiha. These are the most important strongest jutsus used by Itachi Uchiha. If you like this video, please like this, please share and subscribe to this channel.